We start with 1 hour chart. Okay, first of all, if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, we have been looking for the reversal, and this is what we get. Now we want to see what's the next and how we can look for the next trade. Right now, the only things I can say, whoever get the trade within this move, at least they start to manage it. And in this case, we move to higher time frame. We see what we have based on higher time frame. Okay, we start with daily chart. All right. As we can see, based on daily chart, we have been looking for this correction. We will mention we want to see whether we can get the reversal, and this is what we get. Right now, we want to see whether this one can continue and retest this top or not, and then how we can look at this correction. Can this one turn to more complex for one more drop, or the price can continue from here? Also, we can put this one in relative to this for one more drop. Okay, this is how we can look for this correction because it's quite complex, but we didn't, I mean, we have this different possibility, but what we are more interested, we are more interested for continuation. We want to see how we can trade it, whatever the option we just now discussed, because we're looking for the price to continue. Again, whatever the option we discuss is, we need to know about other possibility. If the price couldn't continue and start to drop, okay, then we know how to manage our trade. And if we move to forward chart, as we can see, we have been looking for the 27. One times price tag couldn't break, and but the second times broke and no reverse. Now we are above this. We want to see whether this is a correction for continuation or not. Either we can put this one in relative to this as internal flat for one move up. This is what we're looking for. Okay, because if there is a continuation, we will be more interested if the price can break 32 following by 33, because at that times we can look for the continuation. If not, as I explained, based on forward chart, sorry, based on daily chart, may this one turn to a flat for one more drop. That's why we need to know, if we want to look for trade, we need to get the proper trade setup, whether this is a correction for continuation or this is the start of the down move. Okay, by the way, we move to 1 hour chart. You want to see how we can trade based on 1 hour chart. All right, now we're looking, as I explained, based on forward chart, we looking for this correction. The best things is if this one give us one more drop, become deeper, any reversal from there we can look for buy, because what we have here mostly similar to this correction for one more drop. Okay, but how about if the price continue from here? We can look for the sharp move with the flag, then from there we can look for buy or either having entry above the top. This is only way if the price continue from here, but we need to know if we want to have entry above the top. Simply this one can tag the top and drop, turn to flat for continuation. That's why having entry above the top is very risky. And if anyone wants to have entry above the top, uh, they should know if the price tag, we want the price break and continue. But if the price tag we see within 1 or 2 hours is not moving, we don't stay with the trade, we take over the trade. Anyway, we want to see whether we can get one move up, I mean, one more trade from this correction, and how deep this one can be. And right now, we don't have any trade set up. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.